Hey guys, it's Ryan. Welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan. For those of you that are new here, my name is Ryan. I'm a full-time working mom. I have a 10-month-old son, and my husband and I live here in the suburbs of Chicago. You can find a grocery haul and meal plan every Monday on my channel. You can also find some what's for dinner videos, some baking videos, and just content around being a working mom who enjoys spending time in the kitchen. Today I went grocery shopping. Well, that's a lie. My husband went grocery shopping for me at Sunset Foods in a town a couple over for us, and I will go ahead and show you guys what he got, and then I will show you the meal plan at the end. Okay, up first we have meat and dairy. For lunch meat this week, my husband grabbed some boar's head roast beef. We also got 2 packages of chicken breasts. I actually had wanted the thin sliced chicken breasts, but they didn't have any at the store, so we're going to have to lop these in half for the recipes that I need it for. We just got some stick butter for baking this season. We got a block of Parmesan. This is for a recipe I'm making this week. And then some sliced cheddar for lunch sandwiches. And then I got my typical Chobani low sugar Greek yogurt. I got a couple raspberry, a couple lemon, a couple mango, and then a vanilla and cinnamon. And then for a recipe I had this week, I needed, I think like a half a cup of whole milk yogurt. So we have a large container. I'm hoping my kid likes that because that's a lot of yogurt we're going to have to get through. We also got a skim milk, and then my husband's favorite during the holiday season, eggnog, has finally made an appearance, so I know he will be excited about that. I could take it or leave it, but it does definitely mark the holidays. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get this put away and get the produce out. Okay, next up is the produce. As you guys know, we usually get some oranges and bananas for the family. This week we also grabbed some pineapple and honeydew just as some extra fruit. Now that my kid's eating fruit, we go through a ton of it. We also got a couple grapefruits that is for a chicken dish I'm making this week. We got some green onions and cucumber, as well as some dill, mint, and parsley. This is all for recipes that I'm making this week. Same thing for the button mushrooms. We also got some low sugar orange juice. My husband drinks this every week, so we grabbed some of that. And then last but not least, we got a couple of these Caesar salad kits that I have been eating for lunch. So I'll go ahead and get the produce put away and bring out the paper goods. Okay, last but not least, we have the sort of dry goods. We grabbed some egg noodles. We need that for a recipe that I'm making this week. Got some tomato sauce also for a recipe for this week, as well as some orzo. We didn't get this at the store. I just wanted to show you guys. My husband swears by this restaurant in St. Louis, Zia's. It's Zia's, right? So we ordered some of their pasta sauce, so we're going to try this just on spaghetti this week and see if that's any good. We also got a couple of boxes of Wheaties, a can of Pringles for chips, and some cream of wheat. And then we got the typical stock up on dried cranberries for the yogurts I eat in the morning, as well as raisins for my husband's lunches, some bread for lunch sandwiches, and then we got some almonds, some sweetened condensed milk, and some honey for a recipe I'm baking this week for some Billionaire shortbread. So I'm going to go ahead and get this stuff put away, and I will show you guys the meal plan. Okay, so here is our meal plan for the week. We are actually making recipes this week out of this Eating Well magazine. My kid was playing with it earlier, so it's a little worse for the wear, but the recipes will still be good. And then I'm actually baking a recipe out of this Country Living magazine, but let me go ahead and show you. So, it's Friday right now. Tonight we're going to have some leftover frozen pizza. On Saturday, I'm going to make an ancho spiced chicken breast with some grapefruit salsa, and then we have some mashed potatoes that I need to use up in the fridge. On Sunday, we're going to make some meatballs with lemon garlic orzo with some cucumbers on the side. And then on Monday, we are going to try that Zia's sauce that my husband ordered from that restaurant in St. Louis. I'm actually really excited to try it because I've heard him talking about this restaurant for years and never been there, so hopefully the sauce is good. And then we're going to have salad and garlic bread along with it. On Tuesday, we're eating through leftovers from Thanksgiving, so we will have that. On Wednesday, we have some leftover fish. I'm going to have some Knorr
noodles, just one of those easy pasta sides, and some frozen corn. And then on Thursday, we're going to make a mushroom paprikash dish with, I'm going to serve it with some chicken. I think it's meant to be a meatless meal, but I know my husband would prefer it if I added some chicken. So I'm going to do that. And then Friday, we'll just have some frozen pizza. And then for baking this week, I'm going to make a millionaire shortbread. Did I call it billionaire shortbread in the grocery haul? You guys comment down below if I did. I apparently upgraded my baking to billionaire shortbread. But I've eaten that before, especially I think it's bigger in the UK. I've had it quite a few times over there, but I've never actually made it. So I'm looking forward to making that this holiday season. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.